Christian from Keeperstop.com here with Hami from HK Goalkeeping, an internet phenomenon and a Reusch sponsored athlete. We're doing a Keeperstop.com glove takeover. He's wearing the G3 Ultra Soft Latex. We are going to replace it with the Pure Contact 2 G3 Fusion. Hami's going to give us an idea of what he likes about him and some feedback.
Awesome, man. Thank you. I appreciate it. So right out of the box, obviously they're gorgeous, very bright. Absolutely love the look of it already. See how they feel. I absolutely love the asymmetric cut on these. Just look how quickly they can come on. Right away, you strap them right on. Go on the other ones.
Definitely makes it feel like it's part of your hand because of that evolution negative cut. How does that feel?
Look at that. I don't have the biggest hands, guys, size 9, but look at that. That's a piece of cake.
So right out of the package, as you can see with the palm, you have the G3 Ultra Soft Latex, but you also have Hydrograin and also the black dots for durability. So it's a new formula by Reusch. So we're gonna put it to the test now. What do you say?
Let's do it, man. Sounds good. Let's go.
Let's put Reusch and Hami to this test.
Let's do it. Here we go. Great volleys.
These are pancakes. These are just to warm you up.
Love it. That feels great.
First, it's gotta get warmed up.
Love it.
She's 44 now. Here we go.
Love that. Good. Very nice and tight. Great feel. Great feel on the ball.
How do they feel in your hands?
I absolutely love it. I feel like I'm getting really nice, strong 2 hands to the ball. Move the feet. Love it. I mean, you could hear the tackiness. Here we go. I gotta say, the gloves feel like it's part of my hand. I mean, you see how tight they are. There's no bagginess, there's nothing, you know? There's just nothing sticking out, just very nice and tight.
That one-piece system that they use, that textile from fingertips obviously down,
and
it goes higher up on your wrist closure as well. So it's a one-piece system, so hey, they've done well.
Yeah, they did. Here we go. Feels like glue, man. Woohoo!
That's it.
That's a shot.
Good job. Goalkeepers, that was a good session.
Thank you.
We wanted this so that Hami, a high-level goalkeeper, you know, a goalkeeper that's played in college, that's been at MLS combines, that plays with Hartford City, somebody's got to wear the gloves. We wanted your true feedback and feeling of the glove, and no powder puff shots. We're talking about a training session. So tell us, how did you feel?
I absolutely loved them. I was very confident. Sometimes on balls that I would be safe and parry away. Today, I forced myself to get both hands behind them and catch them, and you see in the video that I'm just hanging on to some of them like no problem at all.
What did you feel about the density and durability of the latex? So this is still a high-level game glove, so it should fall to bits after 20 catches.
Yeah, I mean, we've probably taken like 100 shots today. My hand and the gloves has touched the ball over 100 times, and you can see right here, there's absolutely no wear and tear, not even a scuff mark, absolutely nothing. So you can tell for sure that it's a very high standard from Reusch.
Yeah. He has got blue dots in there for the Hydrograin, the black dots for the durability. At the end of the day, it's still that G3 Ultra Soft Latex. So I saw you hold on balls, and again, they weren't easy shots. I'm placing them high, low, making you move, making you work for it.
Exactly.
Easy. So you look confident.
Yeah.
Tell us about the actual fit of the glove. How did you feel with that evolution negative cut?
Yeah, so honestly, like a lot of gloves I've worn in the past feel very bulky. You can tell from these that they're very nice and thin. They fit right to the hand, and the asymmetric cuff on the wrist is huge because you've trained me for a while. I'm always fiddling between each rep. I'm always constantly changing. but I felt a lot more focused because they've stayed in place the whole entire time. So I'm never constantly playing with the straps. I'm just ready for the next shot.
I'm wearing last year's versions, the Frechias, and I do love that one-piece system because it does feel custom, that it's a part of your hands. There's a lot of negative cut goalkeeper gloves out there that are so super tight. For me, I don't know if you agree or not, but it's snug and custom while feeling comfortable.
I agree with that 100%. You just get such a great feel on the ball that you can't get with other gloves that have that bulk around the fingers and the backhand. It just feels night and day.
Good. Well, I appreciate the
Thank you.
time.
I appreciate it.
I think I might be limping back to my car after shooting 100 balls as an accomplished goalkeeper, so I had to challenge him. Make sure you guys subscribe to Keeperstop GK on Instagram and all the other social media channels. And a valuable resource as well from training is HK, Hami Kara here. So make sure that if you have any questions, Hami and I are both happy to hear from you.
Thank you guys.